Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming your My account is active and that you can access the recovery email or phone. Once done, install or update the My Cloud app and use a stable Wi-Fi connection to avoid data charges. Now open Settings, tap My Account, then My Cloud. This brings you directly to storage controls. You do this because an authenticated account and current app ensure secure sync and accurate quota display before you change backup options. Next, you pick what to backup and why. Photos and contacts protect memories and communication, while app and settings speed recovery. Tap each category to enable sync, then set an automatic backup schedule so it runs without your intervention. Make sure to enable Wi-Fi only if you want to avoid mobile data usage. This preserves your plan. If you need more room, check the storage meter, clear outdated backups, or purchase additional space to prevent interrupted backups. To finish, restore or access files by going to My Cloud and choosing Restore. Pick a full device restore or select specific datasets to avoid overwriting. You can share files with a generated link or download items to your device. Set link password or expiry for extra security. If something goes wrong, first confirm your account and network connection, then verify storage quota and that app permissions like contacts, photos, and storage are granted. This fixes most sync failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.